Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I will show you how to manage Google Wallet on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first open your Google Wallet. It might be in your Google folder, but if it's not, scroll up and scroll down until you find your Google Wallet. It's right here. Press View Wallet on your account if you're logged in. And you need to add a payment card. You can select from a variety of options. Usually it's a credit or debit card. And here you enter your credit card information to add it to your Google Wallet. After you've added it, confirm it with your bank, and you can pay at most terminals if you have NFC enabled. Let's see if it's enabled. In the Quick Access menu, here you can see Wallet. It opens Wallet. Let's scroll down again. And here you can see that NFC is enabled. After you've added your credit or debit card, you should be able to pay at most terminals. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.